Hello. Today we are going to learn about MySQL. So this is a A-level syllabus lesson, and this is about the database management. We learned about what is database earlier in these lessons, and what is normalizations and diagrams and all. We learned it. Now today we are going to learn about database query. So query means to find out some data from the database, how to add a table, how to develop a database, and how to do remove some records or the fields. So those things are called query. To do that, there are many languages called query languages like SQL and MySQL. There are many languages like that. But SQL is different from MySQL, but it's got similar language, similar to, but it's there is a slight difference are there. So for A level syllabus, we are going to learn about MySQL. Actually, it's not a package, it's not a program, it's a query language, and it used for the database management. Now, I'm going to show you download the how to download that Mamp program, Mamp package. From Mamp package, we are going to make our computer as a server. By using server, we can use for the MySQL language to create or to delete or to manipulate the programming database management. So we are going to learn how to download the Mamp and install it. Now what we have to do is we have to go for the link that I have given here. So what is the go to internet and download, type this one, mamp.info/en/download. So when you search on that one, you will get this sort of a screen in your computer using that Google Chrome or whatever the browser. Now, so since you are using computer Windows, so you have to select this one. Or else if you are using Apple or any other things, there are many options. So you can select on those options. But as we are concerned as for A-level syllabus, we use for Windows. So therefore, we have to click on this button to download. Once you click it, this Mamp program will install to and download to your computer. Normally download into the download folder. So you will be seeing here Mamp underscore Mamp pro underscore 4.1.1. So you just double click it, and when you double click it, you will be prompted to many screens like this. So this is you will be seeing Map Pro. Map Pro means you have to pay money. You have to when you are going to use this, you have to get the license version from there. Therefore, I don't want to use that because everybody is not available, not suitable, or they don't have money to buy this one. So just we go for the without license version, the free of charge you can use it. So don't click on this Mamp Pro and don't install Apple. So just ignore these ticks if there is a tick on. So you just ignore tick, don't put the ticks here, and then go to the next. When you next and then go for the person, you will be installing the your Mamp program to your computer. Then once it's installed, and you will be prompting a screen like in desktop. You will be see here like this is, you can see the Mamp with the symbol of elephant. So you double click. When you double click, you will be seeing this font. So I will show you, and I have already installed this Mamp into my computer. So this is the icon. I double click. Once you double click, so it will take little time, and it will open to the computer screen with the with like this screen. So this is the screen that once we double click the Mamp program, it will be appear on your computer. So here, So it's in now. Once it's there, so your server will be activating like this. So Apache server is there and MySQL server is there. It will be activating like this, that there will be a top, there will be that icon will be highlighted to that saying that it has been running. See, now Apache and MySQL are running. Now what we have to do is, if you want, you can go to, if you want to stop it, you can stop from here, or if you want to run it again, you go there, servers, and then you start it, right? And stop and start. These are the servers. Once you stop it, this Apache and MySQL will be stopped. At the moment it is already run. That means the Apache server is installed to my computer, MySQL service installed to my computer, and it is been running now in my computer. That is the meaning of this. If you want to stop it, just go to here, stop the servers, then all the two servers are stopping. So by using this Mamp program, we are going to learn how we are going to run SQL functions, and how we are going to do the SQL programming in this by using this program.